Well, good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're stopping by. Today, what we're going to work on, boys and girls, is we're going to work on finding the area of a rectangle, but we're going to go ahead and add a little bit to this. We're going to find the area of a rectangle sometimes, but also we're going to use the area of a rectangle to find the lengths and the sides of a rectangle as well. So let's get started so I can show you what I'm talking about. Let's just say I had this rectangle right here, and I can tell you that the side lengths of it are 3 feet, you have to excuse my feet, and 7 feet. Pretty simple stuff right there. Now, what I want to know is what exactly is the area. What is the area in square feet inside of this hole, meaning inside of this whole shape, meaning how much is this filled up inside of here. So to do that, I have my area formula right here. Remember, area equals length times width. So I know that my length is going to be 3, and I know I'm going to go ahead and go times, and my width is going to be 7. So now I got to think to myself, what's 3 times 7? And we know that that is 21. All right, but remember, it's 21 feet squared, because if I took this and I broke it into sections 1, 2, 3, and then I broke this into 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just pretend those are the same, okay? We would have 21 squares in there. That's why we have 21 feet squared. Alright, so that's kind of the basic stuff we learned about last week. Let's go ahead and go a little bit more in detail. Now, what if I did this though? What if I said that the area of my rectangle was 54 feet square, is 54 feet square, and I said the side length of one of the sides was actually 6 feet. But here's the problem. I did not give you this right here. What exactly would you do? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use this area model right here, again, this area formula, I should say, to figure it out. We know that the area is 54. We know that the length is 6 feet, but we don't know the width right now. The width is an unknown, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a box right there. Now, what we can do now is we need to go ahead and put these signs in for the rest of them. So we have 54 equals, we just drop our sign down. And we have our multiplication sign we drop down as well. So we know 54 equals 6 times some box, something in there. So we got to think to ourselves, what times 6 equals 54? And if we know our multiplication facts, we should know by now that 9 times 6 equals 54. So your side length here is going to be 9 feet. And that's what we're going to be working on today. All right, thanks for stopping in, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll talk to you later.